Hi, this is How To's. This is the video number 5 of the MS Word series. In this video we are going to see how you can add tables in MS Word. Tables are used to organize data that is too detailed or complicated to be described adequately in the text, allowing the reader to quickly see the results. So, let's see how we can do this. To insert table, go to Insert and then Tables, and then, with the help of mouse, simply drag the table to the required number of rows and columns, and right-click when done, and as seen, table is created now. You can also create the table by entering the number of columns and rows by clicking on Insert Table here. Once the table is created, you can then fill the values as per your need, and if you want to format it to make it look better, just click on the table and then go to Designs and then select the color, or whether to highlight alternate rows or columns or both by using the span and rows and columns. When you click on the Layout table, then you can insert or remove columns or rows using these options, like this. You can also merge, that is combine cells using this Merge Cells options. Just select the cells that has to be combined and then click on Merge. Or you can also split a cell into two like this. Move the cursor to the cell and then click on Split Cells and then enter the rows and columns in which it has to be split into and click on OK. So, this is how you can use add tables in Word. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.